Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shazadi. Today we are showing you how a little gold can make your cake look extraordinary. These gold leaf cake designs are trending in 2025 and they are perfect for giving your cakes the touch of luxury. The first one is minimal gold touch cakes. Let's begin with minimal gold touches. These cakes use gold leaf delightfully, delicately, just a few flakes on the edges, a corner, or around the top. Perfect for modern weddings, alien birthdays, or classy dinner parties. Pair with white, blush, or pastel frosting for a clean, refined look. Less is more with this style. The next is gold leaf on drips or borders. Add gold leaf to your chocolate drip or cake border for stunning effect. The combination of dark chocolate and shiny gold create a rich and dramatic look. You can also outline ties or base edges with gold accent for a royal touch. It's an easy way to take a simple design to the next level. The next is full gold tire or panel cake. Want to go bold? Try a full gold tire. Whether it's a single tire or just one slide of cake, this design looks expensive and eye-catching. Some decorators use gold leaf panels or brush strokes for texture. These work great for engagement cake, luxury brand themes, or New Year celebrations. Next is mixed media gold leaf flowers. Gold and flowers are match made in heaven. Use real dried or sugar flower with gold leaf details for a romantic high-ended design. You can also apply gold leaf on the petal or place gold around the floral arrangement. Perfect for bridal showers, anniversaries, or floral theme parties. The next is gold leaf with dark colors for a bold, modern look. Pair gold leaf with dark base color like black, navy blue, or emerald green. The contrast makes the gold stand out even more, giving out your cake a fashion forward style. Great for formal events, men's cake, or luxury brands. And sharp geometric shapes or marble patterns for extra drama. The next is gold leaf texture technique. You can use gold leaf in many creative textures. Light flakes for a soft shimmer, bold patches for drama, top edges for rustic luxury look. Combine with buttercream, ganch, sweep, and fondant tiles to add depth. Apply gold leaf with a dry brush or tweezers and always handle with care. Use edible gold leaf only. Make sure it's food safe. Store it in a dry place and avoid touching with fingers. Which cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more daily inspiration and cake ideas. only on Cakes Factory, and share this video for more elegant cake ideas on Cakes Factory, or to your loved ones who want to bake or love gold accent cake. And if you like any idea, take a screenshot of it and share that idea to your loved one or to your favorite friend or baker. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Sharing is always caring. Take and bake a cake for yourself and for your family, because the first priority is yourself. Self love is very important. Don't forget to love yourself. Goodbye.